Okay, up for auction, up for sale is an original Eagle brand padlock. These are used for bicycles, for gum and candy vending machines. The Eagle brand is a pretty well-known brand, hard to come by in any size. This machine, or this padlock, comes with a key which operates the lock perfectly. You just turn the key about 180 and maybe a little bit more. It's hard to do one-handed, so let me set the camera down and I'll show it to you in right here. There we go. Do it again. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call or message us. Please check out our other auctions as we're selling similar items. Thank you very much and have a great day.